Hi, my name is Sophie Carr, and I'm the founder of GAIO Tech, your trusted partner in AI search. So, over the last 2 years, we've been developing strategies and building technology. Finally, it's ready to use, and I'm super excited to show you. Let's begin. So, if you want to win in the zero click era, you need three things. One, to see how AI currently sees you. Two, the questions your audience is asking AI right now. And three, a tracking tool with evidence showing you exactly what's working. So, let's get started. Now, every single person gets a free 200 tokens each month, so you can even use this for free. Now, once you've got your account and you're signed up, all you need to do is come to Scan Brand, click My Website, enter your brand name, enter your website's URL, and generate the order. It's really that simple. So normally this takes only 30 seconds. But of course, if you've got a slower internet or if you've got a more complex website, it can take longer, which is why we built a game so that you can have a bit of fun while you're waiting. As you can see, ours is ready. So you can click here on View Report, or you can come up here and find it in your AI brand reports. So as I said, the first thing you need to do is know how AI sees you. You'll find that in your AI brand book by clicking here. But what we've also got on this page is your GAIO optimization action plan. So looking at the top, we've got the topic. So AI has identified this as the most important topic for us to answer. AI search optimization. That's a great topic to cover for us. You can see the questions. What is AI search optimization and how does it work? I think that's a great question. So I'm going to click this AI voice tracking. What you can also do is add a custom question. So for example, I've been trying to rank for what is GAIO? Of course, that's a really important one for us. And also, what is GAIO Tech? Oh, there we go. So save that question. So I'm going to track those as well. And while that's loading, I'm going to come up to the top and I'm going to show you that first one. You need to see how AI sees you. Why? Well, the reason is how AI works. It comes on your website, it learns all about you, it reads about you in other places, and then it starts storing you. It needs to know in its knowledge map who you are, what you do, who you serve, how you can help, the value that you can bring. So what we've done is we've gathered all of these brand data points and we've asked the AI to go and pick that up based on your website and also, a general knowledge of what it already knows about you. So if any of this looks wrong, then it's up to you to actually go on your homepage or your landing pages and improve that. Make sure you're very, very clear, because that's the first step. It needs to know who to recommend you to and what you do. Now, another way to use this AI brand book is actually by copying it and pasting it into a prompt. And when you start doing that, you get top quality because now it's consistent. It knows who you are. It knows who you're writing for. It's easy, it's fast, and yeah, it's powerful. Also, what's worth mentioning is you can change the questions. So over here, I just spotted there's a 2025, which, as we all know, we should be talking about 2026 now. So change it, update it, and track it. This is ready. Let's have a look. What is GAIO? Yes, as you can see, we now have a total AI share of voice score of 18.39. Now, Gemini is looking really positive. ChatGPT, not so much. The main reason for this is that ChatGPT takes longer to respond. And also, it relies quite heavily on platforms like Wikipedia. So let's have a look at the competitive intelligence. You can see that here we are number one. Now you might be asking, okay, why are we number one? What's the cited content? Most platforms, you can't see this. Actually, all the platforms that I know of, you can't find this. I needed this. This was so important to me because not only do I want to be in the answer, I need to be first. And to be first, you need to be tracking exactly what is working. You need evidence, hard evidence. So we developed our own formula. and it's a weighted formula. So what it does is it gives value, a higher value to being first place. And that's why you can see these numbers here. But overall, I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, we weren't even ranking for what is GAIO, I think 2 weeks ago. So in just 2 weeks, we've managed to get to the first place, beating some pretty big competitors. And over here at the bottom, you can even see the actual response. So with this, what do you do with this? That's probably your next question, right? So now you have your AI brand book where you can see how AI sees you. You now have a GAIO Planner, so you've got a clear path to success. You know exactly the questions you should be answering. And you have a tracking tool that doesn't use any magic numbers, so it's fully defensible. And this data can be used to prove your ROI to investors, to, you know, any C-suite, whoever you need to, the stakeholders. You can use all of that. Now, what I like to do with that report is go to Gemini. Here, I've actually written a prompt. So this is a core prompt. If you want one of these prompts, let me know. I'm giving these to our partners. Of course, we are building tech to do this automatically for you. But for now, it's not available yet. We're in the process of building. So for now, I would like to share it with you for free. Just let me know. As long as you're one of our partners, I'm here to help you. That's one of our, I like to say it's one of our main selling points, because it, you know, we really are invested in our client success. You know, your success is our success. I want to help you win. I want to see those numbers. I want to see those scores. So all you need to do with this, when you've got your prompt, is enter your target question. So in this case, it was, what is GAIO? And you need to turn on deep research mode, make sure that PDF is uploaded, and boom, that's it. And now what it's going to do is create a whole research report to understand and deconstruct all of the content and see, okay, who's winning? Why are they winning? It's going to go on their website. It's going to look at the structure. It's going to look at the text. It's going to look at exactly what they're doing. But of course, you know, you need to improve on that. You need to do more. You need to add more value. You need to create better content. You need to add infographics, add that alt text. Of course, there is more technicalities involved in winning in AI search. It's not that simple. So as I said, all of my partners that I work with, my goal is to help you succeed. So anyone, even if, you know, the prices for our packages, they start at 25 euros per month. So even at 25 euros per month, you get access to our masterclasses. And in those masterclasses, I go into detail. I go into depth. I will share with you what is working technically, how to build that strategy, what you need to, how to structure your content. I'll give you prompts. I'll give you everything you need to be the answer in AI search. That's what we do. The core plan, as I said, 25 euros per month. This is great if you're just starting, you're just kind of figuring it out a little bit. You don't have that many questions. You don't want to create that much content. That's great. Most of our clients are on the pro plan or the enterprise plan. The reason why is the moment you want to actually start operating at scale, you know, you need to map your whole ecosystem. So you need more questions, you need more topics, you need more understanding, more data of what is working and why. And especially in competitive spaces, it's so useful to be able to do, you know, 10, 20 scans, get all that data, get all the citations, get everything together and give that to an AI and say, okay, now how do we win in AI search? You know, why is this content winning? So to do that, you need a bigger plan between 100 euros and 1,000 euros, but that's up to you. Of course, everything is available for you. I'm available for you. If you want to book a meeting, feel free. I am here to help you succeed. So thank you so much for listening today. And yeah, if you want to win in the zero-click era, now you know exactly how to do it. And you have a trusted partner to guide you through the whole process. Thank you for listening and have a beautiful day.